Certainly. Here's a classic Gajar ka Halwa recipe, a delicious Indian carrot dessert. Ingredients: 500 grams, about 4-5 medium-sized carrots, peeled and grated. 2 cups full fat milk. 1/2 cup sugar, adjust to taste. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. 1/4 cup chopped nuts, cashews, almonds, pistachios. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. A pinch of saffron strands, optional, for color and flavor. Raisins for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Grate the carrots. Wash, peel, and grate the carrots using a fine grater. 1. Set them aside. 2. Prepare the milk mixture. In a heavy bottomed pan or kadai, heat the milk over medium-high heat. 2. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. 2. Let it simmer while stirring occasionally. 2. Keep simmering until the milk reduces to about half its original quantity. 2. This will take about 20-30 minutes. 3. Saute the carrots. In a separate large pan or kadai, heat the ghee over medium heat. 3. Add the grated carrots and saute them in the ghee for about 10-15 minutes until they become soft and start releasing their aroma. 4. Add the milk mixture. Pour the reduced milk over the sauteed carrots. 4. Stir well and let it cook together. 4. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and burning. 4. This will take another 20-25 minutes. 4. The mixture should thicken, and the carrots should absorb the milk. 5. Add sugar. Once the mixture thickens and the carrots are cooked through, add sugar and continue to cook. 5. The sugar will release moisture, so continue to cook until the halwa thickens again. 6. Add nuts and flavorings. Add the chopped nuts, cardamom powder, and saffron strands, if using. 6. Mix well and cook for another 5-10 minutes until the halwa reaches the desired consistency. 6. It should be thick and not too runny. 7. Garnish and serve. Garnish the Gajar ka Halwa with some more chopped nuts and, if you like, some raisins. 7. Serve it hot or warm. 7. It can be enjoyed plain or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your homemade Gajar ka Halwa, a delightful carrot dessert.